As a not-for-profit, it's imperative that we embrace technology and process improvement. Traditionally, departments, when it came to anything financial, they want to be late adopters. They weren't necessarily raising their hand to want to jump on board and be the guinea pig there. Other teams and departments wanted to be early adopters of RAMP because they had heard of all the benefits the other teams were experiencing. A great benefit of our RAMP partnership has been within the finance community. We now have visibility real time to all our travel and expense across the organization, and that's allowed us to have improved financial oversight and control. As a finance leader, I've seen financial implementations crash and burn. I'm pleased to say that the RAMP journey has been incredible, a flawless implementation that was recently recognized with a round of applause at one of our national meetings. Yeah, my 3 words to describe RAMP would be cutting edge, intuitive, and efficient.